Hey team, it's James Mitchell here at Workshop Software. How you doing? It's early November, and some of you may know that November is a really great month for a really exciting charity, and we've gotten on board with it, and it's called MoVember. And the idea is where the guys go and grow and mow. You might see that I've got a couple of days growth there. Not real big on getting the moustaches going. Never grown one before in my life, so this will be a bit of fun. But I want to tell you a little bit about what MoVember's about, and hear me through because there's some exciting things at the end that I'd really love you to get on board with. But so MoVember is a men's health and raising awareness about men's health, men's cancers, and in particularly men's suicide. I want you to help me to stop men dying too young. Too many guys in our country and around the world that die from suicide, and it's completely needless. And we want to raise funds for awareness that we can help prevent some of that. So the guys are on board. The girls are on board as well, which is really awesome. So the girls are going to do things like exercise and certain stuff with that, and so they become what's called a Mo sister. So it's really fun to have the girls on board as well. But all the guys, they've all shaved their beards. Every single one. I'm the only guy on the team that that doesn't have a beard. So they've gone and all shaved off their beards. So for example, one of our guys, Jackson, he had a really big bushy beard, which he's really proud of, and was part of his identity. So he's shaving that off for a great cause. So if anything, I'd love you to give a few bucks to Jackson, because what he's done is just above and beyond, because that's part of what he's about, and he's shaved it all off for this really amazing charity. But what we also want to do is through the month of November, what we're going to do as a team in Workshop Software, as a company, for every new customer that comes on board in November, we're going to donate $25 to charity, to this particular charity. So we get dozens and dozens and dozens of new clients every month. So that will raise a reasonable amount of money, a really good amount of money for this particular cause. What we're also going to do is for our existing clients, to get you guys on board, is that we're going to give also $25 for any additional stuff that you get from us. So for example, if you upgrade, so for example, go from silver to gold for argument's sake, or if you buy some of our additional services such as the VV Garage integration, the vehicle visuals, if you get the Presto payment processing integration, any of those things, if you do that sort of stuff, we're also going to give 25 bucks to charity. Now, if you do that, that's awesome. If that doesn't sit with what you want to do, or where you are in your business, also love you if you could just spare a few bucks. That would be so awesome as well. The guys would really appreciate it, and of course it goes to a massive cause. So hope you can get on board. Stay tuned, watch it, check out our Facebook page as well, because we'll keep you up to date with some of the photos. You'll see a photo of the before that's already up on our Facebook page, so go check that out. We'll keep you abreast of how the facial hair's going along, getting a few greys going on in there, but it's all for a good cause. So love to get your help and really appreciate your input, and if you could donate just a few bucks, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for your support as always. All the best.